Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on Bissell professional multi-purpose solution. So let's get right into it. So I decided to purchase this because I needed a cleaning solution that's going to tear up and destroy and remove all those dirty stains that is on my sofa right now. So that led me to buy this professional multi-purpose. So it's an oxy stain fighting power. It's going to remove tough stains and leave your carpet or sofa smelling refreshed. Now here in the back of it, it tells you that you should shake it before you use it. And yeah. And here behind me, I have the actual water tank from the BigGreen commercial carpet cleaner. And my water line is here, and I have hot water. So you're going to go ahead and shake it twice. Make sure you shake it really good. And then you're going to use the built-in measuring cup to pour the solution inside this water tank. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Now, according to the product, this is able to clean about 1,200 square feet or approximately 6 rooms. So one bottle can go a long way. So let's go ahead and shake that up. I already shook it up. Just going to shake it up again. And now I'm going to go ahead and put it inside the cup, the built-in measuring cup that we have here. Like I said, make sure that you're using hot water, okay? So there we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and use it on my sofa. So it'd be good if you continue watching the review. That's one. It smells super good. So there we go. I got my solution inside of there, and I'm going to go ahead and use this on my sofa. Alright everyone, so I'm going to go ahead and test this multi-purpose cleaner on my sofa. I have a section of the sofa that I designated to use this on because the other parts are a little dirtier. I'm going to have to use some Bissell spot cleaner, but for this specific video, I just want to just show you how it looks like and my reaction to the smell on it. So let's get right into it. Alright, as you can see, I made a little sample cleaning on this part of my sofa, and I can smell this this super refreshing smell from all the way from my camera. And this is a product that I highly recommend. I just want to say thank you for watching this review, and I will see you in the next video.